In this video, you will learn how to bring an existing config.dat file from an older 8.7 system into an iiQWorks.Sim project that uses iiQKA.OS2. This is a common step when migrating projects and validating them in a virtual environment. To begin, open iiQWorks.Sim and bring a robot into the scene by double-clicking it. When the robot is added for the first time, the configuration is completely empty. Open the Devices view and check the tools and bases. You will notice that there are no tools or bases defined yet. This is expected for a new virtual robot. Next, go back to the Program view. Click on the robot and extend the tree. Open the System folder, locate the config.dat file, and double-click it to open it. Switch to the KRL view and expand the fold structure. The first thing you will copy into the file is the home position data. Open the config.dat file from the older 8.7 system using Notepad++. Select the home position definitions, copy them, paste them into the new config.dat file, and remove any extra empty lines. Once the home positions are added, return to the old config.dat file and move on to the tool data. Copy the tool load data, but do not include the load definitions at the bottom. These values differ between older systems and iiQKA.OS2, and copying them can cause errors. You may notice additional variables in the newer system. If these variables are missing or mismatched, the system will report errors during validation. Paste the selected tool data into the new config.dat file, align it correctly, and remove any extra spaces. Next, copy the base data from the old config.dat file. Make sure to include all base names and keep the formatting exactly the same. Paste the base data into the new config.dat file and clean up any extra blank lines. Now click the button labeled Load config.dat into the simulation. This updates the virtual controller with the new configuration data. Return to the Home or Devices view. You will now see that the tools and bases are automatically available without manually re-entering any data. To verify the setup, click on the robot and create a short test program. Open the main program, switch to the correct operating mode, and check that the home position has updated correctly. Add a simple loop or a short motion sequence using the home position to confirm that the robot moves as expected in the simulation. If something does not look correct, stop and adjust the program or positions as needed. Make sure the correct tool is selected, such as the gripper. If the tool was not active, select it and touch up the position to ensure accuracy. After adjusting the tool and position, run the program again. The robot should now use the correct tools and bases. At this point, everything should run correctly. All tools and bases are available in the system, and the virtual commissioning is complete. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your support. Make sure to subscribe the KUKA channel for the latest updates and tutorials. For hands-on experience, check out the KUKA College. Until next time, and keep learning and simulating.
Making automation easier.